sixth rule, if multiple bonds and substituents are there in the case of unsaturated hydrocarbons. So look at the first example, first compound is this, and here we can see two double bonds and one substituent. First of all, we have to find out the longest chain. If you are numbering from left to right, this will be the numbering. So the parent chain contains 5 carbon atom. Another possibility is also there. If it is from right to left, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in this case, if multiple bonds and substituents are there, we have to find out the set of locants for the multiple bonds first. So in this case, if you are numbering from left to right, the first carbon has the double bond. Then the third carbon has the double bond. So if you are numbering from left to right, the first carbon has the double bond, that is 1, and the third carbon has a double bond, that is 3. So the first set of locants for multiple bonds is 1 and 3. So if you are numbering from right to left, we can see that the second carbon has the multiple bond, then comes the fourth carbon. So if it is from right to left, the second carbon has a multiple bond, then comes the fourth carbon. So that fourth carbon also has the multiple bond. So the set of locants are 1, 3 and 2, 4. So compare these two locants and we can see that this one is the lowest set of locants. So we found out 1, 3, that is the lowest set of locants for the multiple bonds. So we need to number it from left to right. So left to right numbering is the correct way of numbering. Let us name this compound. So 1, 3, that is the correct set of locants. Here there is a substituent, so that is a prefix. So we have to write that prefix first, and that is 4-methyl, that is the prefix. Then comes the word root, that is pent. Since it is a diene, two double bonds are there, we have to add A to the word root. So it is penta. Then comes the positions of double bonds, that is 1 and 3. We have already found out. That is penta 1, 3 diene. So this is the name of this compound. 4-methyl penta 1, 3 diene is the name of this compound. So let us see another example. In this case also we can see double bonds are there or multiple bonds are there and there is a substituent. In this case also we have to find out the parent chain. So if you are numbering in this way, we got the parent chain contain 4 carbon atoms. If it is from right to left, this will be the numbering. So in this case also we have to find out the lowest set of locants for the multiple bonds. So if it is from left to right, the set of locants for the multiple bonds are, first position there is a double bond, then comes third position. This is one possibility. Then another possibility is if it is from right to left, in that case also there is first carbon, there is a double bond, then comes third carbon. So right to left, this is a third carbon also a double bond. So if it is from left to right and from right to left, the set of locants are the same. So in this case we have to consider the position of the substituent. So if both the locants are the same, both the set of locants for the multiple bonds are the same, we need to consider the position of the substituent. Here we have to give lowest number to the substituent. So in the first case we didn't select the substituent as the lowest number. We didn't give the lowest number to the substituent. In that case, we can easily found out the lowest set of locands while considering the set of locands for multiple bonds. In this case, the set of locands for the multiple bonds are the same. In this case, we have to give lowest number to the substituent. Then we can see the numbering. So if it is from left to right, the third position will be the substituent. If it is from right to left, the second position will be the substituent. So in this case, we have to consider the numbering from right to left. So the name of this compound will be, first of all, we have to write the substituent. The substituent is in the second position. So 2-methyl. So the word root is but, since it contains 4 carbon atoms, and it is a diene. It is a diene. So we have to add A. Then the positions of double bonds, first position and the third position. So 1, 3 diene. So the name of this compound is 2-methyl buta 1,3 diene. So this is the IUPAC name of this compound.